Almost every car owner has a can of WD-40 sitting somewhere in their garage. But here's the truth most people never realize. They're only using about 10% of what it can actually do. Today we're revealing 10 legitimate car hacks using WD-40 that can save you serious money on repairs and detailing bills. Stay until the end, because hack number 3 alone could save you hundreds of dollars. Hack 10. Clean a dirty gas cap. Your gas cap threads collect grime, grease, and dried residue over time. When the seal gets compromised, your car's fuel system loses pressure and triggers a check engine warning. Here's the simple fix. Spray WD-40 around the cap threads and the rubber sealing ring. Let it sit for about 1 minute, then wipe everything clean with a microfiber cloth. The formula breaks down hardened deposits, lubricates the threads, and restores a proper airtight seal. Apply a light follow-up coat before screwing it back on. Your cap will turn smoothly and seal correctly every single time. Many drivers spend money on diagnostic scans chasing a check engine light when the actual problem is a poorly sealing gas cap. This 2-minute fix could spare you that unnecessary expense entirely. Hack 9. Remove water spots from side mirrors. Mineral deposits from rainwater and tap water bond to mirror glass over time, creating a cloudy haze that distorts your reflection and reduces visibility. Here's what actually works. Spray a light mist of WD-40 directly onto the mirror surface and let it rest for 30 seconds. Then buff gently with a clean microfiber cloth using circular motions. Those stubborn mineral deposits lift cleanly off the glass, leaving a clear, streak-free surface behind. The formula also deposits a thin, water-repelling layer that causes rain to bead and roll off the mirror rather than spreading across it. Make this part of your routine after every car wash, and your mirrors will stay noticeably clearer between cleanings. Clear mirrors are not just about appearance. They are a genuine safety feature that lets you see the vehicle beside you before it becomes a problem. Hack 8. Restore faded and yellowed taillights. Cloudy taillights make your car look neglected and, more importantly, reduce how visible you are to drivers behind you at night. That haze develops from UV exposure, breaking down the outer lens surface over time. Here is the quick fix. Spray WD-40 directly onto the taillight lens and wipe in smooth circular motions with a clean microfiber cloth. Almost immediately, the fog begins lifting and the lens becomes noticeably clearer. The formula fills in microscopic surface scratches, restores light transmission through the lens, and leaves behind a protective layer that slows future yellowing. Repeat this process every couple of months to stay ahead of the problem before the haze returns. In certain areas, severely faded taillights can attract attention from traffic enforcement. Keeping them clear is both a safety upgrade and a smart maintenance habit. Hack 7. Silence a squealing serpentine belt. That high-pitched squeal coming from under your hood every time you start the car is embarrassing, and it draws the wrong kind of attention. The noise happens when surface glazing and moisture cause the belt to slip across the pulleys instead of gripping them properly. Before spending money on a replacement, try this. With the engine completely off, spray a light, controlled mist of WD-40 along the inner surface of the belt and across each pulley. Start the engine, and the squeal will typically fade almost immediately as the belt finds proper traction again. This is not a permanent solution if the belt is genuinely worn out, but it is the fastest and cheapest way to determine whether you need a replacement or simply a clean, lubricated surface. Inspect the belt carefully while you're there. If you see visible cracking or fraying, plan for a replacement regardless. A serpentine belt replacement at a repair shop often runs between $100 and $250 in labor alone. Knowing the difference before walking in protects you from unnecessary charges. Hack 6. Free up stiff window tracks. Your window grinds, hesitates, or makes a scraping sound every time you roll it down. The rubber-lined channels that guide your glass collect road dust, grime, and moisture until the window is essentially dragging through packed debris with every movement. Here is the fix. Lower your window halfway and spray WD-40 directly into the exposed track on both sides of the door frame. Run the window up and down several times slowly to work the lubricant through the full length of the channel. What was grinding and sticking will begin gliding smoothly and quietly. Do not forget the rear windows. Those tracks are neglected far longer than the fronts and are usually in worse condition. In cold weather, frozen window tracks can actually crack your glass if you force the window down. A quick spray before winter arrives prevents that problem entirely. Window regulator replacements typically cost between $150 and $300 at a shop. Regular lubrication keeps you well away from that bill. Hack 5. Unstick a seized parking brake cable. You go to release your parking brake and the car refuses to move. The cable has corroded or frozen inside its protective housing, locking your rear brakes in the engaged position. Before calling for a tow, try this approach. Locate the parking brake cable running along the underside of your vehicle. Spray WD-40 generously along the cable length and directly into any accessible housing openings. Allow the formula to soak for several minutes, then cycle the parking brake lever on and off while gently rocking the vehicle back and forth. The lubricant works into the corrosion inside the housing, breaks that bond, and allows the cable to move freely again. Once released, apply another generous coat along the entire cable as a preventive measure to keep moisture from getting back in. This is especially important in regions where roads are treated with salt during winter, because salt accelerates cable corrosion faster than almost anything else underneath a vehicle. Parking brake cable replacement typically runs between $100 and $300. Routine lubrication with an inexpensive spray can prevent the failure completely. Hack 4. Fix a stiff or grinding ignition. You insert your key, and instead of a smooth turn, you feel resistance, grinding, or the key barely wants to go in at all. Most people immediately assume the ignition cylinder is failing and prepare for an expensive repair. The majority of the time, the real problem is nothing more than dried-out lubricant and accumulated dust inside the lock tumbler. Here is what to do first. With the key removed, spray a short controlled burst of WD-40 directly into the ignition keyhole. Insert your key and turn it slowly back and forth several times to distribute the formula through the internal mechanism. The grinding resistance will ease with each pass as the lubricant works through the tumbler pins and restores smooth operation. Ignition cylinder replacement can cost anywhere from $150 to $400 at a dealership or independent shop. Performing this simple maintenance step twice a year means you may never face that repair at all. Hack 3. Clean your mass airflow sensor. Your engine is running rough. The throttle response feels sluggish, and your fuel economy has quietly dropped without any obvious explanation. Before paying for a full diagnostic scan, consider your mass airflow sensor. When this sensor gets coated with oil residue and airborne contaminants, it sends inaccurate data to your engine control unit. The result is poor performance, wasted fuel, and often a check engine light that triggers expensive and unnecessary diagnostic appointments. Here is the fix. Remove the mass airflow sensor from the air intake housing. It typically requires removing 2 screws and unplugging a connector clip. Spray WD-40 lightly across the sensor wires and sensing elements and allow it to sit for 60 seconds. Wipe gently with a clean, dry cloth and allow the sensor to air dry completely before reinstalling, because reinstalling it while wet can temporarily affect your engine readings. A replacement mass airflow sensor costs between $80 and $300, depending on the vehicle. Cleaning it first costs nothing but a few minutes of your time, and many drivers find their rough idle disappears and the check engine light clears within a few normal drive cycles. Hack 2. Lubricate sticky seat belts. A seat belt that sticks mid-pull, snaps back unevenly, or fights you every time you reach for it is more than an annoyance. A belt that fails to maintain proper tension is a genuine safety concern that deserves immediate attention. Here is the straightforward fix. Pull the seatbelt out to its full length and apply a light, even mist of WD-40 along the entire webbing surface. Work it gently into the fabric by running a clean cloth along the belt from top to bottom. Allow the belt to retract slowly and repeat the process 3 or 4 times. The formula loosens built-up grime, lubricates the internal spring mechanism, and restores that smooth, consistent pull and clean retraction that indicates the belt is functioning correctly. Treat all the belts in the vehicle while you are at it, because if the driver's belt is stiff, the others are rarely far behind. Seatbelt replacement at a dealership can run between $200 and $500. Keeping the mechanism clean and lubricated with a simple spray is one of the most cost-effective maintenance habits you can develop. Hack 1. Restore your front grille. Your front grille is the most visible part of your vehicle, and right now, it may look like a collection point for every insect and road debris particle from your last 100 miles of driving. Baked-on bugs, brake dust, and road tar create a pitted, dull surface that immediately undermines the overall appearance of even a well-maintained car. Here is how to restore it properly. Spray WD-40 generously across the grille surface, and work it into the slats and mesh openings where residue has baked in from engine heat. Let it soak for about 1 minute. Then work through the buildup with a soft detailing brush, reaching into the recessed areas. Wipe everything down with a clean microfiber cloth. The residue will lift cleanly, the finish will darken and sharpen noticeably, and a thin protective coating will remain on the surface. That coating makes future insect debris and road grime significantly easier to remove because it never fully bonds to the surface the same way again. Repeat this process every few weeks, during seasons when insect activity is high, and your grille will never reach that baked-on stage again. The front grille is literally the first thing people see when your vehicle approaches. Keeping it clean sends a clear message about how well the entire vehicle is maintained. If you found these tips useful, share this with someone who could use the savings. Which hack surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. For more practical car maintenance tips that protect your wallet, explore our other guides on vehicle care that any owner can do at home.